Hello all. I am Meghana PS, working as an assistant professor in commerce, Government First Aid College, Bharamsagra. In this session, I am discussing about the subject financial markets and services, in which the module 5 mutual funds. In this session, I am discussing about private sector mutual funds. Objective of this session is to know about the private sector mutual funds, and by the end of this session you are aware about the private sector mutual funds in India. In the previous session we discussed about the meaning of money market mutual fund, features and purpose of choosing the money market mutual funds. Money market mutual funds are the open-ended mutual funds where they invest in money market instruments, and they provide high liquidity as well as safer investment option. They also provide a parking place for a cash management. Let's discuss about private sector mutual funds. In India, with the entry of private sector funds in 1993, a new era started in the Indian mutual fund industry, giving the Indian investors a wider choice of funds. 1993 was the year in which the first mutual fund regulation came into existence, under which all mutual funds except UTI, Unit Trust of India, were to be registered and governed. ಸೊ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1993 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ವೈಡರ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್, ವೈಡರ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಸೊ 1993 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ UTI ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದರ ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ mutual funds. Let us know about the top private sector mutual fund companies in India. The first one is HDFC Mutual Fund. So HDFC Asset Management Company Limited or HDFC Mutual Fund is currently the largest mutual fund and actively managed equity mutual fund in India. It is one of the largest mutual fund company in India, and it is started in the year 1999, and it set up as a joint venture between the Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited, that is HDFC, and Standard Life Investments Limited. By these two companies, it is a joint venture of these two companies. And HDFC Asset Management Company is the investment manager to the schemes of HDFC Mutual Fund. As we know that for all the mutual funds, there should be an asset management company. For HDFC Mutual Fund, the asset management company is HDFC Asset Management Company. Over 1 in 4 Indian mutual fund investors have invested in at least one of its schemes. As it is a popular mutual fund company, among 4 of Indian mutual fund investors, 1 will be invested in the HDFC mutual funds. Next company is ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund. It is one of the India's top second largest asset management company. It is one of the oldest and most profitable mutual fund. It is the oldest and second largest asset management company. And ICICI Prudential was set up in 1993 with ICICI Bank and Prudential PLC acting as a partners. So in the partnership form, the ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund was established. The Prudential Group is one of the world's oldest, largest and most influential insurance company. Mr. Chan Kochar is the chairperson of this asset management company. Most of their offerings, most of their funds are rated in AAMFS. This is the mutual funds rating. So most of the funds of ICICI Prudential mutual funds are rated in this, which indicates the high degree of confidence and reliability by the investors. Next mutual fund company is Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. It is the top third asset management companies in India, which is established in 1994 as a joint venture between Aditya Birla Group of India and Sun Life Financial Limited of Canada. The fund house is known for its expertise in debt investing and headed by Mr. A. Balasubramanian, who has 26 years of experience in the mutual fund industry. And the next mutual fund is Nippon India Mutual Fund, which is one of the fastest growing mutual fund in India. Nippon Life Insurance Company is the sponsor, and Nippon Life India Trust Limited is the trustee of this mutual fund. And Nippon India Mutual Fund has been registered with SEBI dated June 30th, 1995. And NIMF was earlierly known as Reliance Mutual Fund. Now it is named as Nippon India Mutual Fund. The name of the mutual fund was changed from Reliance Mutual Fund to Nippon India Mutual Fund, effective date from September 28, 2019. From September 28, 2019, the Reliance Mutual Fund is called as a Nippon India Mutual Funds. The next mutual fund company is Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund. This asset management company, a wholly owned subsidiary of Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited, and is the asset manager for Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund. And it started its operations in the December 1998 and has approximately 21 lakh investors in various schemes. It offers schemes with varying risk return portfolios and was the first fund house in the country to launch dedicated gilt scheme investing only in government securities. Gilt schemes in the sense they invest only in the government securities. The company is present in 82 cities and has 86 branches. So we discussed in this session about the 5 top private sector mutual funds in India. Let's sum up this session. The new era started in India mutual fund industry with the entry of 5 private sector funds in 1993. And the major players of private sector mutual funds in India are HDFC Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund, Nippon India Mutual Fund, and Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund. These are the references for your further readings. Thank you all.